can see with the mixing bowl that it's currently locked into place as the orange lever is pointing straight down. In order to remove the mixing bowl, we'll need to unlock this. Push the lever slightly to the left and then pull the mixing bowl towards you. Unclip. You'll see that the mixing bowl is made up of two parts, a lid and the mixing bowl. There's a little marker at the back here, and you can either do it visibly or pop the lid on and twist it till it finds where it wants to sit. In order to take the steam trap out, lift the canister out the way and pull this towards you. We'll then knock this out and pop it back in. In order to replace the mixing bowl, you'll see that the water feed goes into here and the whipper goes at the bottom. Push quite firmly and then lock into place. Again, you'll see this pointing straight down. Clip your pipe back in and everything is back in place.